Welcome to this video on how much money you can save using sleep mode on your air conditioner. Using sleep mode can save you between 15% and 30% on your overnight energy consumption. Sleep mode gradually increases the air conditioner's temperature by 0.5 degrees Celsius to 1 degree Celsius every hour. This increase is comfortable because your body temperature naturally drops during sleep, so you require less cooling. The room warms up by about 1 degree Celsius to 2 degrees Celsius, or 2 degrees Fahrenheit to 4 degrees Fahrenheit overall. This reduces the frequency of the compressor running, saving energy. Another option is using the timer function to shut off the unit early. Schedule the shutdown about 1 hour before you wake up for additional savings. Eco mode offers up to a 30% energy reduction, similar to sleep mode, but note that the cycling compressor can create more noise. You can choose your overnight cooling strategy based on energy savings, noise level, and comfort level. Sleep mode is a great choice, as it effectively balances your comfort with your wallet by saving energy while you sleep.